Sinabi daw ni Jody, don't sign. In other words, yung torture niya. So yung story ko, na long naman sa'yo because it's many years, is what brought me here. Itong to, o papatayo pa daw ng bahay with Jody, when Jody stops being Jody Santa Maria, she loses not only trademark, she loses everything. Bahala siya. I'm speaking from experience. So that's the life of Claudine now. Mabuti na lang, may family siya. For the longest time, I help. We all help. We pay for the school. Hindi siya tumitigan. Puyak yan. Pinanindigan niya yung hindi pinanindigan yung hayop ng asawa. Yun lang. Umiyak si Claudine. That is what brought me here now. Walang tao pwedeng magpapaluhod sa mga anak ko. They're hardworking. Hindi sila magnanakaw. Kakasuhan nata si Claudine or something.
Yun nga po. At sinabi na pag hindi ito naayos,
Siya sabi yung ahente na kilala mo. It's
yung
okay.
client,
Oo.
nakakasuhan daw si Claudine.
Oo.
Siyempre, ang worry ni Claudine, mami, ay
She has to refund the money.
siya na naman ang masama.
Oo.
Samantalang umuo na raw si Raymond. Tapos ngayon, hindi na raw magsasign